So you'll have to click on itax.kra.go.ke. So this is the brief way on how you can apply for new KRA registration PIN. So you can see this page, we have login and we have the one you want to apply new PIN. You click on new PIN registration. So when you click that, you will be redirected to this other page, taxpayer type. So you'll have to click on individual if it is for individual, and mode of registration, always it is an online form. Then you will see this other page. You will see these 4 steps: basic information application, source of income, and agent details. So residential details, you are a Kenyan. Then you select what applies to you. Then major group, for me, I'm going to click on students. Then I'm going to proceed and enter my national ID. So when I click the national ID, you will find that the other details below will be updated. So then when you submit the ID, the rest will be updated. So we'll move to principal physical address. So this way you will insert your physical address where you are currently residing, and click the county. So tax area locality. So you finish that principal. So you finish everything. Then so now we are heading to principal contact details. So please insert phone number which you are currently connected and the email which you are using currently, because they will be sending an OTP. So after that, you will be required to send OTP to this email. Then you will have to fill in this particular OTP. Then you confirm. Then you will scroll down. You will be asked, do you have an alternative address, of which I'm going to select here no. Do you declare your bank account for tax refund? No. Are you a partner, director, or trustee in any of the other entity? No. Would you like to declare your relationship with any other taxpayer? No. So here you will need to upload your details, ID number, that is county ID, both front and back page. Then in this application details, you click on income tax resident. Then you insert the day or the date you are registering for your Kenya Revenue Authority PIN. So after that, you click next. You will be redirected this other page. Employment income, select no, rental, no, where applicable. Then the final one is for only agents. So here I'm going to select the type of authorization, partial. Then income tax resident as the. So I'm going to do the arithmetic. So I'm going to submit. So when I click submit, I will be able to download my PIN. And you can see the PIN registration has been successfully registered. I'm going to click there just to download the PIN. And that's how simple it is. Please, the process is simple. Make sure to follow everything till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.